What is specific performance in breach of contract cases? Imagine you buy a rare piece of art or a unique piece of land, and the seller refuses to deliver it. You might wonder what options you have beyond just asking for money. That's where specific performance comes into play. It is a legal remedy used when monetary damages just aren't enough to fix the problem caused by a breach of contract. Instead of getting paid money, the court orders the person who broke the deal to do exactly what they promised. In business law, courts usually grant this remedy when the item involved is one of a kind or hard to replace. Think about buying a specific building or a piece of intellectual property that is unique. Because no other property or intellectual property can truly replace what was promised, courts often order the seller to transfer the exact property or rights. For example, if someone agrees to sell a particular piece of land, and it's the only one like it, the court might order the seller to go through with the sale, not just pay damages. To get a court to order specific performance, the person asking for it must show several things. First, there must be a valid contract between the parties. Second, they must have already done what they needed to do or be ready to do so. Third, the other side must have refused or failed to perform their part. Fourth, monetary damages should not be enough to fix the problem. If these conditions are met, the court will consider whether ordering performance is practical and fair. There are some reasons courts might refuse to order specific performance. If the contract involves personal services, like hiring someone to perform a task that's personal or unique, courts usually won't force someone to do that. If performance is impossible or would cause harm, courts won't order it either. Other defenses include if there was fraud or mistake when making the deal, or if too much time has passed since the breach. In business transactions, specific performance helps keep contracts certain and reliable. It's especially useful when the subject matter is rare, like a special piece of property or exclusive rights. Because it is an equitable remedy, courts use it only when no other legal remedy can fully fix the breach. This way, the original agreement is honored, and the non-breaching party gets what they bargained for.